Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show easy but cool looking and super tasty dessert, Lemon Posset Crème Brûlée. So let's do it! The ingredients are very simple. Heavy cream, sugar, vanilla and lemons, but you can take it as the base. If you want to experiment, you can put bonus spices like cinnamon, star anise, cardamom and similar. I want to use lemon shells as my plate, so I take out the middle, which I use for the juice, and the rest I keep for later. I start by zesting one lemon, mixing it with cream and sugar, and cooking it on low boil for around 3 minutes. In meantime, I squeeze lemons, and at the end, I mix cream, lemon juice and vanilla. Now you have to strain it to get rid of the zest, and you can fill up your lemons. Of course you can just use any plate, but this looks cool for sure. And you have to put it in the fridge for at least few hours to set, and then finish it with sugar and blowtorch. And you create nice caramel crust on the top like in classic crème brûlée. And my easy but super cool looking dessert is done. My food inspector doesn't like lemons, so I have to taste it myself. And of course, it's amazing. You can also experiment with the amount of sugar in the recipe and make it to fit your taste. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, guys. And if you'd like to learn another cool dessert, check out this video and learn how you can make my recipe with coconut and mango panna cotta and caramelized nuts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.